So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make crafts with the pista shells. So some of the materials which you required are these. So let's start. So first of all we will need an A4 paper. Then we will need a pencil to draw like this. Then like this. Then so after drawing it will look like this. Now we will just keep it aside and we will take some of the pistas and we will paint as the flower you will need. So these are the paints and this is the brush. So we will paint these pistas and we will color your favorite beautiful color. So here after coloring these pistas, I have colored them into the different colors so that they will look nice as the flowers. So these are the leaves and these are the flowers and these are to decorate something. So now we will paste them. So before that we should take some of the sketch pens and we have to draw on these lines. So let's keep this aside and we will draw their stems. So here or after completing the green portion, it will look like this. Now we would take the brown sketch pen to make this thing. And after completing the brown portion also, it will look like this and completely it would look like this. So for some decoration as the center of the flower, we will need some like this, some beads. So we will take them and first of all we will paste them. Now first of all we will take the Fevicol. Now as I am pasting the pink one first, so we will put glue on it. Now we will paste it here like this. Now we will need blue bead to paste them. So now like this and we will paste it. So now after pasting these beads, it will look like this. Now we will paste some of these pista shells and as a flower. So let's take some of the pista shells. So first I am taking these blue painted pista shells and we will need glue so we could paste them. So we'll take it and we will put glue on it. Like this. And now we will paste it. Like for some time. So I have pasted the blue painted pista shells as a flower. So now we will do the same with all of them. So let's see. So here after pasting all of the flowers, it will look like this. Now we will paste the green pista shells as a leaf. Put glue on it. Like this. And then we will paste it. Then we will do the same with all the green pista shells. So after pasting these green pista shells as a leaf, it will look like this. Now we will take some purple pistas to paste it on this pot. So as I have pasted these pista shells on the pots, flowers as pista and pistas as leaves, so our this is ready. But here something is empty. So here we will put, here we will draw, or here we will color. So now I am coloring it so that it will look more attractive. So let's take any pencil color or any of the materials which you like. So as my pista color is little purple, pink and like this, so I am using here this kind of color. So now I am coloring. So now I have colored this pot very carefully. So our pista flower shells are ready. So please subscribe me, like me or unlike, and please comment me. And if you are new at my channel, then please subscribe me and press the bell icon to get my new notifications and latest videos. For now, bye bye.